Hey art friends, in this video, we're gonna learn how to draw a UFO, a really cool one. And I hope you're gonna follow along with me. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. I'm using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Because I'm using our Art for Kids Hub alcohol-based markers, I'm also using Canson brand marker paper. This is my favorite brand. And it helps make the markers last longer and also allows us to blend and layer the markers on top of each other. But also remember, you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's start by drawing our alien's head in the middle of our paper, peeking out of the top of our UFO. So first I'm gonna draw, kind of like we did in our alien lesson, I'm gonna draw the two nostrils, and I'm gonna draw the frown. That looks like a face. Then we're gonna draw the eyes. I'm going to draw them coming out and up to the left and then back down and connect. And then we'll do that same shape on the other side to make them symmetrical on both sides. Now let's draw the shape of our alien's head. I'm going to start at the top, curve around, and then come to a point for the chin. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. Yeah, there we go. We could also draw antenna too. Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to draw two little antennae coming out. Now let's draw our alien ship. And we're going to start here and draw an oval shape that comes around and then connects on the other side. And we're only drawing part of the oval because it's going behind our alien's head. Then we could also draw the body for our alien. It's awesome. Let's draw a little highlight in the top of each eye and then color in the eyes. I'm going to make this side of the oval come out a little further to balance the same on both sides. Then we can also draw a curve on the inside. And then let's color in this bottom shape so that it looks super 3D. Our alien's coming out of this oval shape. Now let's draw the glass going over the top of our alien's head. Draw a big upside down U shape. Now let's draw the rest of the spaceship. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on both sides to match. Then we're going to repeat this same curve down here to connect these diagonal lines together. Nice, that looks really cool. Let's add another one or another detail. I'm going to draw two more diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to match that same curve, but bigger, to connect those two lines. Let's do that again, except come out even further on each side. Almost out to the edge of our paper. Then we can draw this same curve down here to match and make it look super 3D and round. It makes our UFO spaceship look like it's a circle or a disc. Let's add more details and more layers. I'm going to draw lines coming down on each side, and then we're going to draw another curve to match. It's looking really, really cool. Let's do another one coming in further. And then we'll connect these just like we did with all the other layers. Now let's draw some of the cool stuff down here. We draw the jets or the motors, the alien technology that makes our spaceship fly. I'm going to draw an oval in the middle and then a smaller oval tipped on the left and also on the right to match. Then we can connect these into our spaceship. I'm going to draw diagonal lines on each side. Let's draw rectangle shapes. I'm going to draw a small one here. Oh, maybe a circle here. Let's draw a circle to match on this side. Rectangle shape here. And then let's draw another rectangle shape or square shape above those. Cool. Now we can draw, I'm going to draw an upside down U for these shapes. And then let's connect them all together. We'll draw lines in between these shapes to connect them into the spaceship. Now this looks really cool, except we need to add more details to our UFO to make it look even cooler. Now you can add the same things I'm drawing, or you could add different things. You don't have to match the same as me. And if I go too fast, you can also pause the video to catch up. Let's first start on the top layer. And we're gonna draw a line right down the middle. And we want it to look like it's wrapping around. So I'm gonna split each side, but I'm gonna draw a diagonal line. Then let's add another curve going across here to match. Now on the next level, I'm going to draw 2 lines here and 2 lines here to match on each side. Now I'm going to add another diagonal line on the outside. Now we got this big shape right here. I'll start in the middle, but instead of connecting all the way down here, I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to draw an upside down U shape. Let's do the same thing here. Draw a diagonal line, then stop, and draw that upside down U. Do the same here. And repeat that same detail. Let's do one more all the way out on the edge. Next, this shape could wrap down onto the next layer. Draw 2 lines going straight down on each side. Then let's draw it going underneath. So I'm drawing the diagonal lines, tucking under. Oh, let's draw a circle here just for fun. And we can add random shapes that don't repeat around the UFO. So maybe just a circle here and a square or rectangle shape over here. Next, I'm going to draw 2 smaller squares right here. Now we could add even more details to our UFO, but let's leave it just like this and color it. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You could also pause the video at the very end to match my same coloring, or just use it as inspiration to color your drawings. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our UFO. It turned out awesome, all colored in, and I hope you take time to color your drawings too. You can even add a background and more details. I added a lot of extra stuff to my UFO. I also added a background with a planet and some stars. I also drew the rocket flames coming out of the engines on the bottom of the UFO. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing your own UFO. I hope you take time to color your drawings and add more things to it. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Hey parents and teachers, did you know that we have a book series called Draw with Art for Kids Hub? Our animals book is already out and ready for you to order. It's filled with 30 awesome step-by-step drawing projects that your kids will love. We also have 2 more fun books that release later, but you can pre-order them now. Cute and Funny Foods will be available on August 13th, 2024, and our Christmas book, perfect for the holiday season, it releases on September 3rd, 2024. You can find all of these books through the link in the description below this video. Thanks for being part of our art family, and I hope you keep drawing and having fun.